Huh? Y equal to 1 equal to what? Y is the opposite. Divide by the hypotenuse is which trigo ratio? Sin. You see, Anna? Okay. Huh? So, your W will be equal to cos X. Your Y will be equal to sin X. So you just substitute in. So you get whatever the question. Correct? Okay, then should I do the next one? State the domain for X. So what are the possible value for X? It's a triangle, it's a rectangle, right? So the angle, can it be more than pi by 2? No. So the domain will be X. X is a member of real number, and X must be between 0 and pi by 2. Please don't write 90 degrees. I told you in this chapter, all angles must be measured in radian. Are you okay? Then after that, how? The next one? Then you just have to differentiate. Find the exact value of X. Okay, it shouldn't be is, where R prime X equal to 0. Right? So you have to differentiate. So how you differentiate this? Using product rule and the rest. Okay. So I will leave that to you to do. Can or not? The one who asked this question? Okay, now, anyone want to know the meaning of the word rigidity? Okay, in physics, okay, when you talk about, okay, this is out from next stop. Okay, can I have your attention? Can you tell me what is the integral for this? Can anyone straight away tell me what is the integral for this? Hello? What is the integral for tangent to x dx? Okay, I give you the answer. Okay, the answer is you go and think of how to get this answer. In 5 minutes, very important. At higher level, you cannot base on examples and learn up the concept. When you have integration, other than follow the rules of integration, you have to know integration is the inverse of differentiation. So when I differentiate a long term, right, I will have a fraction. Am I right? So if I integrate a fraction that look like this, I should get ln fx. Am I right? Am I right? Plus C. So this is a very important idea that every one of us have to bear in mind. Do you bear this in mind? Do you have this at your fingertips? No. If you don't have this at your fingertips, that means you fail with your calculus. I'm telling you the truth. You don't know the relationship between differentiation and integration, you fail totally the chapter. Even you get an A+ for your SAT 2, SAT 3, SAT 1, you fail totally. And I failed totally as a teacher. That is the first thing. Okay, if I always bear that in mind, then when I come to this question, when the question asks me to integrate tangent 2x dx, I will straight away change the tangent to am I right? So I have this form. But whatever on top is not the derivative of the bottom, am I right? So I will take the bottom and I differentiate this. I differentiate cos, what do I get? Negative sin, good. Can I stop there? No. What is the rate of change of the angle? 2. So on top, I must have negative 2 sin 2x. Am I right? So I try to create that. But is this equal to this? No. So what should I do with the whole thing? I should divide with negative 1/2. Am I right? So when I modify like that, isn't it this and this is the same? So that is called modify. You do changes to suit the situation. So this is equal to negative half ln cos 2x plus c. So this is the theory behind it. So if I'm a student, I want to prepare for my test, and my teacher allowed me to bring in 1-page handwritten notes. So what should I do as a student? Definitely, this is a lot of thinking carry on, correct? So I will put in my notes. If I integrate tangent kx dx, what will I get? I write down that one, then I just use the formula and apply. I get the 2 marks. But I can also change the question in such a way that you cannot just apply the formula. I say, show that the integral of tangent 2x is equal to negative ln 2x, ln cos 2x over 2. If I ask you to show, You have to work all this out. So it depends on what I want to test you. So that's why if you want to be an A+ student, you have to know everything. You see or not? If I didn't say sure, then you can just apply this formula. Do you get me? So this is a very important concept. Integration is the inverse of differentiation, anti-differentiation. Okay. Cotangent of 5x. What is cotangent of 5x? What is the integral for cotangent 5x? So you have to know that cotangent is cos so derivative for sin is cos. So itu masalah selesai. But 5x, the derivative is 5. Am I right? So I will put down like that. So what is the answer? 1/5 ln sin 5x. See or not? Okay.